Can you turn off the alarm?
Of course. You got 30 minutes to wake up. Wake up. Good morning. This is the first time I'm saying this in a video, but good morning everyone, how's it going? I hope everyone has a wonderful day today. I still don't do my hair, so I'm sorry for the messy look. I still gotta go back inside and get ready. As you guys saw, today I'm gonna take y'all with me on my morning routine. I've seen a few comments on people asking me, what do I do in the morning? Do I wake up, eat breakfast? Do I go restock some vending machines? I'm pretty sure I did a video in the past where I recorded my day in the life, and it seems like a lot of you guys actually like that video. So today, that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take you guys with me and I'm gonna show you exactly what do I do every single day whenever I wake up. If y'all do enjoy the video, drop a like, subscribe if you haven't already. So again, good morning, and let's get the day started. Okay, so I normally wake up around 5:30, and once I wake up, I'll lay in bed, for 30 minutes answering messages, emails, going through YouTube comments, basically just catching up on social media and making sure everything is okay. And this morning, I actually woke up to an email from an employee at one of my locations. He said that the credit card machine charged them $61. Look, I know that the customer is always right, but to be honest, I don't believe that. So after I lay in bed for about 30 minutes answering comments, I'll get up, I'll get ready, do my hair, brush my teeth. At that time, I go to the kitchen to make a cup of coffee to wake up. I used to drink Monster and Red Bull, but of course, coffee is much cheaper. Anyways, once I'm done, I'll go into my office to start taking inventory on exactly what I have to buy at Sam's. The way I check inventory is by checking the app on my phone, which connects to all the credit card machines on my vending machines, which is pretty cool because I can see exactly what item is sold out, how many bags of chips I have left, how many chocolates I have left. So after I do check inventory, I'll get all the product ready, all the drinks and everything. You guys have seen in previous videos, I do put all the drinks in crates and then all the pastries, snacks and chocolate in an empty box. So whenever I'm done, it's about 6:30, and this is the time whenever I bring everything downstairs, all the drinks, all the snacks, and this is the annoying part. Cause for those of you that don't know, I do live on the 3rd floor, and having to carry a crate full of drinks down 3 stairs, it sucks, okay? It's so annoying. That's pretty heavy. If you guys have any other method I can use for bringing everything down the stairs, let me know down below, because I feel like carrying all this stuff downstairs up and down, like my bag will be gone in the next like 2 years, Anyways, once I'm done breaking my back, putting everything into the car downstairs, we then go to Sam's and buy everything we have to buy before we go to the first location. Is that really a couch? Oh, he saw me record.
Oh, it's hot.
Feels like an oven, right?
Are you buying me my icy?
Icy this early?
It's hot.
I normally only spend about 30 minutes in Sam's just because, with vending, time is very, very valuable. If you guys watched the last video, we were talking about how they didn't sell this box anymore, but they brought it back. You remember? We were talking about it?
They probably ran out.
Oh yeah, right. It's probably right. They just ran out maybe.
Ooh, check if they still have the munchies, if they brought them back. Baby. Get on your knees. Again, do that position.
Why?
Just do it. You tie my shoe?
This location that we're about to go to is the only location that we sell small bags of chips, just because the big ones don't really fit in that machine, so we gotta buy some of these small ones. But I don't know if we should buy some of these over here, because we got two options. We have these, but those are mostly like spicy chips, or we have the ones over here. Let me see what they have. Yeah, and then we have these which have sour cream and onion, Fritos original, Doritos, Lay's, and Cheetos. But the thing is that the Fritos, they're not gonna sell. Like,
I'll eat them.
you eat them?
Yeah, I'll eat them.
Because Fritos do not sell anywhere, and it gets me so mad. Like if they know that Fritos don't sell, why do they keep putting them inside? They take out munchies, but they keep Fritos. Like, what? What? I'm gonna risk it and just get these, the regular ones. All right, so we got the chips. Now, let's go. Take me. Just not too fast though, not too fast. Oh, not too fast. Why'd you stop so quick?
It's because what if somebody would have came? I
Oh.
wouldn't be able to.
All right, go. That's how you do it. You gotta get somebody to take you to Sam's and then push you around. That's how you do it. This is actually the reason why I like coming to Sam's as soon as they open, because they open at 10, but if you have a business membership, you can come at like 7 in the morning. So it's like 7 right now, there's nobody around, and we can scream, do whatever we want.
I'm coming like to the side. I don't know if you've noticed.
No, go. Look at this, almost in my head. Put it back where it goes.
I don't know where it goes. You grabbed it.
Get her in the comments, get her.
Shut up.
So at around 7:30 in the morning, you know, we come outside, put everything into the car, and then start driving to the first location. Alright y'all, so we just made it to one of our office locations, and when we were at Sam's and I was putting everything into the trunk, I noticed that we forgot the dolly back at home. So we're gonna have to carry, or one of us is gonna have to carry everything inside, all the drinks, and they're gonna be pretty heavy.
You?
It's not gonna be as bad because all we have is just that one crate with snacks back there, and then just the drinks. So I guess I'll do the drinks and just take the crate. Alright, look, there you go. That's all you gotta take. That's all.
Dang, it's light.
It's light?
Yeah.
It's just snacks. Oh wait, you forgot about this.
Still not heavy.
Alright. What about this?
What about it? I thought that was drinks.
It is.
I'm not carrying drinks, I'm carrying snacks.
Today's gonna be a pretty easy day. I only have to fill up one machine, so we get to the first location at about 8 in the morning. I restocked this machine 1 week before we left to California, so that was what, like 2 weeks ago almost?
Was it?
This is actually our slowest location right now, so I mean, we don't really sell a whole lot. 2 whole weeks and we only have 1 empty slot. Alright guys, so check this out. I actually took out all the brisk because not even one sold in the last 2 weeks. Not one single brisk sold. So I took it out and I replaced it with Pepsi. So hopefully Pepsi does a little bit better. Alright, look, since we did take out the brisk, we can't forget to take out the one in the front in the display, because that's actually happened before. I forget to replace it and then people think they're gonna get that drink and they get something else. So we gotta make sure to actually replace it. Do you want to show them how?
Yeah. So you gotta pull this up. Or don't. Pull it up like that. Put that back in there. Take this one out. Grab your Pepsi and make sure the label is showing up in the front.
Let me check. A little bit, no, the other one. Yeah, a little bit more to the right. There, perfect. It only takes like 30 to 40 minutes to fill up a machine. So at about 8:40, that's whenever we're done. You know, we go outside, put everything back into the car, and then drive back home. Why does it have to be so hot? Where'd you get that bag of chips from?
On the floor.
Will they expire?
I think so.
You can eat them? Oh no, don't eat these. Driving back home only takes about 30 minutes without traffic, so we normally get back home at around 9-10 in the morning. So we just made it back home, and now time for the most annoying and for the most boring part about running my route. Having to carry everything back upstairs to the apartment because we live on the 3rd floor.
Which was, I don't know.
And of course, at this time we have to bring all the drinks back upstairs, all the leftover product. And again, this is the most annoying part. Never again will I live in a 3rd floor.
Liar.
Never. There. And there you guys have it. That's pretty much what I do every single day whenever I go and fill up my vending machines. Once I get home, I do put everything back into my office. I count the money, which by the way, today we made about $102 from that location for the last like 2 weeks. It's not the best since it is my slowest location, but you know, for 2 weeks, it's not that bad. Also, before we end the video, let me show you guys something real quick outside. Alright, so if you guys don't already follow me on Instagram, go follow me right now. Like, pause the video, follow me on Instagram, then come back, because later on today or maybe tomorrow, I'm not sure, I'm gonna be giving away 2 free gumball and candy machines completely for free. This is one of them, and the other one is right over there. I'm not gonna be getting any more candy machine locations, so pretty much all the machines I have outside are just collecting dust. So I much rather give them away to one of you guys that want to start a candy machine business. But again, that's pretty much it for the video. Comment down below what other videos you guys want to see. Anyways, I love y'all, and I'll see you guys in the next video.